And of course, it was your life for the next 3 weeks would be more pleasant if you went on heroin. But it would, well, at the time we bought it, it was succeeding mightily on multiple fronts. And it was cheap in relation to what was plainly going to happen. That was a valuable insight. There are times when even a company as big as Coca-Cola is too cheaply priced by the market, considering what it's going to do for the shareholder. And there are times when we can figure that out, and there are times when we can't. And the times when we can figure it out, we tend to go in heavily. For many, many months, we were buying as much Coca-Cola as we could buy, roughly a third of the volume trading, every day for months. So we were very aggressive in buying into Coca-Cola. We have the mindset of the person that's buying the whole business at the price you would realize by multiplying the price we're paying by share by the number of outstanding shares. And we want the price for the whole business so calculated to look very attractive. So we like buying individual shares at a price that's lower than we think a rational person would pay if he could buy the whole business. When you're given a mighty hand, then you were when you start with a little nothing. Now, they won't be able to multiply money as fast per share, because that can't happen when you're working with such large sums. But in terms of a creditable institution that serves the wider world, I think Berkshire's contribution after Warren is dead will utterly dwarf the contribution made while he was alive.